First, I want to put a warning out here. This video involves with me injecting myself with medication. If you don't want to see that, please turn this video off now. I also want to note that I'm not a doctor. I'm only a client, and this is my 5th week on Wegovy. I like doing all stuff and things, like I did a lot of things for my treadmill and whatnot, and I'm trying to get in better shape. And what I can tell, I think I'm getting a lot better. I can tell you that looking at older videos from the last couple weeks and weighing myself and things like that, I found that the product definitely works. There is no such thing as a magic cure. You do have to work out with this thing. There's no other way around it. So, without further ado, let's talk about Wegovy. So, in this weight loss, if you're fortunate enough to be able to get this medication, there's 2 classes. There's Ozempic and there's Wegovy. Wegovy is kind of designed for people who have are borderline diabetic, which, you know, if I continue to go in there I was going, I think I was definitely heading in that direction. When I first started, I was 256 pounds. I'm down to 245. Like I said, this is my 5th week. So what you get, and again, I can only go with what I have here. You get a packet like this. You keep this in the refrigerator, and it comes with these injectors. Open the box here. Like I said, there's no magic pill, but I do have to say that this kind of helps me. I've been working out, and I just didn't see a lot of the weight moving here. I think they might have actually listened and gave me a better instruction manual, which I requested, because even me, this is part of the video to show you how to actually work this medication here. I moved up, so if you guys remember, last week I was in on the greens. These are the 0.5 milligrams. The injection, this is a one-time use. There's other ones that have a twister here on here which adjusts the stuff, which I'm kind of happy for simple people like myself that do not want to deal with this kind of stuff. It's got an expiration date, everything else on the deal, and the most important thing is this little clear window. What happens is when you inject yourself with this, as I will be showing you, you'll see a yellow bar going down from the top here all the way down to the bottom. I give myself about another 10 seconds to make sure I don't have any residual. And what I've been doing is I've been injecting myself in the stomach area up here. And I've been doing the left and right side. So this week it's time for the left side. So I'm going to try to put this video up. It's not very good to do, especially when you're one-handed here. But I do have to say that I think it's a good motivator for someone like me who's been struggling with a little bit of weight, and I'm about to turn 50, so kind of need all the help I can get. Again, this medication needs to be in the refrigerator. Please consult your doctor or a licensed physician for any questions. So first thing we do is we remove the cap here. This kind of reminds me of the auto injectors that are used for chemical agents or against chemical agents. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap. The top here is a good thing about it for people who aren't very keen on needles. You don't really get to see much of anything. You put this up against your body and you count. So we will go ahead and do that. Say, if you feel a little squeamish, you might want to turn the tape off or the video off. I'm old school. So here's how this works. So I'm finding my spot, which is going to be right off my belly button here on my left. And what I do is I'll hold it like a pen, and I will go ahead and inject. Light pressure will actually make the thing go down. Now I feel the needle. There's a click. Okay, this one's got a black, and there's the yellow. There's 2 clicks. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. You go ahead and you release. Never seen the needle. There's no blood. It's actually very, very neat. Now you can actually dispose of this in the trash can without fear of somebody cutting themselves on this item. The 2 clicks are the most important. I can tell you, like I said, I have had good success with this so far. it's definitely challenging. The only side effects I felt is when I first started, I did feel a little bit of lack of energy. I also felt that like even if I had like a small meal, and like I said, my diet is not the best. I am trying to definitely cut back and make things a little bit better. But when I was eating my meal, I was kind of unable to finish it, so I had to kind of split it into two pieces. Kind of makes you feel like a day after Thanksgiving, appropriately here. Anyway, I want to show you the injector again. Looks like this. As you can see, I'm fine after this shot. I do this once a week. For me, I set it up on Tuesdays. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm putting the pack back in the refrigerator, and we'll see you again in the upcoming weeks.